In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a quick Google Meet and turn on the essential host controls so your meeting runs smoothly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Meet homepage. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account you want to use for the meeting. If your browser asks for permission to use your camera and microphone, allow it so others can see and hear you. Don't worry if you prefer not to be on camera. You can always turn your video off once you're in the meeting. Next, start an instant meeting. On the main screen, look for the option that says Start an Instant Meeting. Click it, and Google Meet will immediately create a meeting room for you. This is the fastest way to get everyone together without scheduling ahead of time. You'll land in the meeting with a unique link automatically generated for your session. Once you're in, open the host controls. Look toward the bottom or lower right area of the meeting window for the Host Controls option. On many layouts, it appears as a small shield icon. Click that to access the controls that help you manage what participants can do. This is the control center for meeting safety and participant permissions. Now turn on the Host Management toggle. When Host Management is enabled, you gain clearer oversight of your meeting. This setting allows you to decide whether participants can share their screen, send chat messages, or unmute themselves. It also helps manage how people join, giving you better control so the conversation stays on track. If you turn it off, permissions are more open, which can be helpful for free-flowing collaboration, but for most professional or classroom settings, keeping host management on is best. Finally, click Open to expand and view the full set of host control options. This lets you quickly review what's currently allowed and make sure it matches your needs before participants arrive. Take a moment to confirm settings like quick access and sharing or chat permissions so there are no surprises once the meeting starts. If you're running a presentation or a training session, you might keep screen sharing limited and chat available for questions. If it's a brainstorm, you might open things up more. And that's it. You navigated to Google Meet, started an instant meeting, opened the host controls, enabled host management, and viewed the detailed options. With these basics in place, you'll keep your meeting safe, organized, and focused from the very first minute.